In this video, we will look at the great opportunities that ChatGPT and the TikTok creativity program beta have to offer. We'll walk you through the process of developing monetizable videos in just a few seconds, as well as provide tips and tactics to help your videos go viral. Additionally, we will introduce you to Video AI by InVideo, a powerful tool for editing your videos. Are you new to TikTok or an experienced content creator? In whatever position, this video will give you useful ideas and tactics to make the most possible from the platform. So, hang on till the end of the video. What is the TikTok Creativity Program Beta? The TikTok Creativity Program Beta is a new feature that enables users to make creative and compelling videos that can be monetized. This program provides exciting chances for content creators to make money from their TikTok videos. Participating in the beta allows users to access a variety of TikTok resources and help to improve their content and build their audience. Access to the beta program is currently restricted to specific countries. However, I won't be speaking about those a lot because I have covered all about them in the previous videos. In the following sections, we will discuss how you can make the most of this program using ChatGPT and InVideo. How to create monetizable videos with ChatGPT. Creating monetizable videos with ChatGPT is quick and simple. Simply navigate to the ChatGPT store or the Explore tab and search for the Video AI or InVideo feature. Once you've found it, enter a prompt with specific instructions, such as creating a video of a specified length or adding subtitles. Even, you can use external sources or websites to supply additional information to the AI. With just one prompt, the AI will create a whole TikTok video with a storyline, voiceover, footage, and captions. The options are limitless, and you can make captivating and monetizable videos in minutes. Amazing, huh? Tips and tricks for creating viral videos. Creating viral videos on TikTok involves more than just producing videos. To maximize your chances of going viral, you must pay attention to a few critical factors. To begin, build a hook that captures the audience's attention and generates emotions. Second, don't be overly concerned about flaws in your videos. Some funny mistakes can encourage debate and interaction. However, make sure that your mistakes do not harm the overall quality of the video. Editing your videos with Video AI by InVideo. Video AI by InVideo is a sophisticated tool that lets you edit your generated videos. If you want to spice up your content, give the AI some specific commands or prompts. For example, you might ask for a stronger hook, or even provide a joke to begin the video. This tool allows you to modify the videos without having to do the editing yourself. Whether you're a new or seasoned video creator, Video AI offers an effective and user-friendly way to improve your TikTok content. Boosting view to subscriber conversion rate with CTAs. Turning views into subscribers is essential if you want to make the most of your influence on TikTok. Putting a call to action at the conclusion of your videos is one smart move toward it. A call to action invites visitors to do a certain activity, like following your account to see more videos. You can grow your audience and get more subscribers by including an engaging call to action. With the help of this Video AI, you can easily include calls to action in your videos, which will help you effectively engage and attract viewers. Removing watermarks and premium subscription. Although the extensive editing options that InVideo provides, free users may notice watermarks on the videos that it generates. It takes a paid subscription to get rid of these watermarks. With a monthly starting price of just $20, the premium subscription gives you access to more tools and services. You can improve the quality of your videos and establish a more polished and interesting TikTok presence by upgrading to a premium membership. Accessing the TikTok Creativity Program Beta from anywhere in the world. Currently, only users from particular regions are able to access the TikTok Creativity Program Beta. However, anyone can join the beta program from anywhere in the world if they follow some instructions. By using US TikTok accounts and following some particular steps, you can avoid regional restrictions and benefit from the program's features. Getting started with TikTok and going viral. If you're new to TikTok or looking to enhance your presence on the platform, getting started is both exciting and rewarding. You may use ChatGPT and InVideo to make engaging and profitable videos by following the instructions provided in this video. Always remember to experiment with different video formats, interact with the TikTok community, and maintain consistency in your work. You can achieve success on TikTok if you are dedicated and creative. Finally, the TikTok Creativity Program Beta, ChatGPT, and InVideo offer countless opportunities for content creators. With the use of AI technology, anyone can produce profitable videos in a matter of minutes. We have already looked at the methods for creating videos for TikTok using AI. Additionally, we've demonstrated how to use the TikTok Creativity Program Beta from any location in the world. With the right strategies and tools at your disposal, you can thrive on TikTok and create a successful online presence. So make use of the chances that modern technology offers. We are headed to the end of this video. Thank you for being till the end. Don't forget to like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. And if you have not yet commented on your thoughts, mention your comments in the comment section. Let's meet again with our next video.